Hi, this is Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I'm a customer support from OpenLM. Today, I would like to explain the EasyAdmin agent policy configuration, how it related to the end user service interface. First of all, I would like to explain the brief structure. From version 22, we have to use the new agent, not legacy agent. Legacy agent is up to 5.6. And then new agent should be installed on the each workstation of end user. Like legacy agent, the same. But the difference is agent used to have the legacy agent has the console with it, but it is split into the browser UI called end user service personal dashboard. So like from each user workstation, user can access to the end user service personal dashboard browser UI to see the license repository, like which user is using which license, something like that. So that's a big difference. Yeah. So I will show you. So this is EasyAdmin agent policy setting. And then this is a personal dashboard. You can see the license repository. And this is the end user service personal dashboard. So end user can access to this personal dashboard and then see the which license is in use and then which user is using it in here. Then in legacy agent, all these options are related to the console. But now, only two options are active, hide license usage information and then disable open folder link in recently closed documents. So I will show you now we are seeing license repository, right? And then recently closed, the link is disabled. So if I click like this, yeah, and then hide, and then hide and enable. So you can't see the license repository anymore. And then recently closed, the link is enabled. It turned into blue. So I'm sorry, but other options are inactive. You cannot use it. Just only hide license usage information and then disable open folder link in recently closed documents. That's it. And then one more thing to note is projects. You can select project from here, but if you want to enable project, you have to click the project login, log project information here. If I uncheck it, yeah, project tab is gone. Yeah, project is here. So you can choose project you created in EasyAdmin. You can select it in here, then apply it. Yeah, and then these options are legacy agent is all active. So it's related to it's related to a personal dashboard and user service interface. Thank you very much.